My name is Ben Arikpo. I'm the product manager with IEC, and we're here at the AHR 2026 in Vegas. So we have our AHY unit, which is a modular air handler that we're providing from IEC. It's a new product that we're releasing into the market in about a week. So welcome to see and explore it. So this, as we mentioned, this is a modular air handler. There's 4 modules shown here. We have a filter, coil, access, and a fan module. The design ideology behind this is really to be able to get this unit into retrofit spaces. So these clamps right here bring these modules together. They align it and make it easy to assemble this without too much stress or work for the contractor as well. So we can ship these modules fully assembled as you're shown, or we can ship them in individual modules. That way they're allowed to go through doors. Each of these modules is designed for a maximum width of about 33 inches, so you can put it on rollers and roll it through a door. That's kind of the beauty of it. That way you can roll all the modules into the space that you need it to and then assemble it right on site. That's the beauty of having a modular air handler in this case. So we have our filter section. With the filter section, we're able to do 4-inch filters, MERV 10, MERV 13, as well as a 2-inch filter, MERV 10 and MERV 13 as well. You could do a 2-inch as well as a 4-inch. So you have a pre-filter as well as a final filter. On the coil module, there's options for up to 12 rows of coil. 8 of those rows could be cooling, and then you have the option for 4 additional rows of heating in that situation. So this is a coil module. This is our primary coil module. We also have an additional module that's a heating only module. It's about half the size of this, and that's heating only coil, so it goes up to about 4 inches of coil. The flexibility that allows is that you can then separate your heating from your cooling, so that way you can do a coil module with a pre-filter or a coil module with a reheat filter in that situation. In addition, we have an access module where with the access module, it gives you the flexibility to be able to get to your motor to do any servicing, cleaning that's required, as well as to be able to get to your coil module as well. That way your coil can be cleaned, you can wash it down, all the water goes into your drain pan and then drains out of that unit as well. So it gives you that flexibility. With the access module, it's 18 inches or 24 inches, depending on how much space you have in your space. So you can do it full length, or you can shorten it down a little bit if you need more compactness for your space. As you can see with the doors, just showing the access doors, we do have the hinges on both sides, so it allows the flexibility to open the door from either end. So I can open it on this side, or if I close this up, I can also open it up from this side, which allows me to swing it both ways, or I could take the door off completely. Gives the installer's flexibility, gives you the flexibility in terms of servicing as well. If you need more space, you can take that door off completely to get through whatever you need. And then finally, we have our fan module. So the fan module, it's an ECM plenum fan, so it allows you all the flexibility of getting up to 6 inches of total static pressure through this unit. As you can see, it's double wall insulated, foam injected panels, so it allows you, it keeps that heat in there as well. Very thermally efficient in that way. And then your supply is through the front. We could also do a top supply on these units. Again, very modular, allows the base install, or the base rail allows for install on the floor as well as above the floor. So you could do a floor install with these, or you can have your hooks into that base rail and install this above the floor as well. So that's that is our AHY unit. Thank you for coming through, and if you have any information or you need any information on it, please let us know. We also have our vertical stack unit right here. So this is our vertical stack with an ERV. The idea is we've built vertical stacks. We're a fan coil company, so we're experts at building vertical stacks. So what we've done recently is we've added an ERV to this. In a lot of cases, in a lot of markets, that's starting to be required just to get you better air quality, get you better dehumidification in your space as well. So we have now that option to add an ERV to your vertical stack unit. It does come with ECM fans. So again, that energy efficiency is prime with this, as well as better indoor air quality. There's the options for MERV 8 or MERV 13 filters with that ERV itself. So you have all of the options to get the full efficiency and the beauty of the IEC flexibility of the vertical stack with the added option of the ERV itself as well. So if you have any of these options or have any needs for any of these products, please feel free to reach out to us. We're out in Oklahoma, and if we also welcome everyone to come to our sites to see our factories and see how we build our units. Thank you very much.